Some help. Help? From who? Oh, well, like the skipper?
That old Corsair down at the end of the runway?
Sure, he's a war hero.
He's an old crankshaft.
My buddy Sparky says the skipper was a legendary flight instructor in the Navy. That's right. He knows stuff.
He's been grounded for decades. Why would I want to be coached by a... Fire crossbow! You won't get 5. Archer! You won't get 5. Archer!
34.